Well, my name is Caitlin, and my role here at Dalinghaus is a client relations manager. And that entails working with our specialists very closely and then working with the homeowners as our specialists go out to meet with the homeowners and then they get the proposals. A lot of questions do end up coming up after our specialist has left. And while we always want our specialists to be available to the homeowners, sometimes they're meeting with other homeowners. So that's where I come in. You can call me, I can go over the proposal with you, I can answer in-depth questions and kind of steer you in the right directions to make you feel a little bit at ease, because while having foundation issues stinks, your home is your biggest asset, and this is going to be an investment that you want to make sure you know you're doing the right thing. So I started with Dalinghaus in 2018. I started up in the front and have currently moved over to help with the specialist as of August of last year. Yeah, helping homeowners is fulfilling. Like I said, foundation issues suck. Like, it's not fun to have in your home. It can be scary, and some people have been in their homes, or their homes are 100 years old, and then we're able to come in and they're still able to live in their house while we do foundation work, and then they know that years down the road their home isn't going to literally sink into the ground. I guess a newlywed, 2019, so maybe not newlywed, but I was recently married. I recently welcomed a baby girl into the world during the pandemic, which was interesting. As my first child. We do work pretty close. My mom actually lives with us as well. She unfortunately had a stroke in 2013, and I've taken care of her since then. But having her around to be with us and meet her granddaughter for the first time is something that I can't trade for anything. My family is everything. After my mom had her stroke, my family stuck with us and helped us through because I was young, and it's something that you just can't replace. Like, family should mean everything, and it doesn't always mean blood, but family is one of the most important things for me. So I like to be out in the sun. We go to the lake with our in-laws. I like to cook and garden, and I like to practice calligraphy on the side. All right, now that you've learned a little bit about me and you have questions about your foundations, or you just want to discuss any concerns that you may have regarding your home, please click the link below and fill out that contact form, and one of our office representatives will go ahead and give you a call.